The Calendly stuff. Guys, I'm just gonna say at our level, at the incomes that we make, Calendly is complete freaking garbage. Complete garbage. Calendly belongs on your website for people to schedule things in a passive manner. Maybe even not. 90% of the time somebody's using Calendly, they're using it in the wrong way. It is the single most disrespectful thing that you can do if this is a high-level conversation. Here's my calendar, pick a time. Like, when you're communicating that to the environment, are you communicating, man, I am organized, I'm professional, my time is valuable? You're not communicating any of that, right? They're looking at you the same way they look at the Domino's app. And then you guys send people links to your Calendly, and you guys have 15 meetings scheduled in a day, and you're like, oh my God, I don't know how I'm gonna get through this day. I've got 15 meetings scheduled. And guess what? 3 people show up out of 15. 12 don't even show up because you're acting like a freaking Domino's app. And out of the 15 that said they were gonna do it, 9 of them never even wanted to have the meeting. Make an effort. Get people to agree to a time. Do a little bit of work on your part. We're not selling freaking pepperoni pizzas. We're all making well over 6 figures, okay? We're dealing with very complex sales. Don't send them a Calendly app. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm gonna give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you wanna double, triple, quadruple your closing right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University mini masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm gonna cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.